Hello friends, welcome to my channel, and in this video I will show you how to use count function efficiently. In front of you there is some type of data with name and answer. With this help of data we try to calculate count and count a function, right? There is two questions: how many numerical data with number only responses are in the range. We have to find all these cells in which only numerical data are present. So how we do that? Equal to sign count, bracket open, then we select whole data till bottom, close the bracket, hit on enter button. We got 4 as an answer because only 4 cells include numerical data. Now come on, second question. How many responses in the total are in the range? Means we have to calculate how many cells are there in total. It doesn't matter it's numerical data present or alphabetical data are present. We have to calculate all the cell number, right? So count A, bracket open, we select whole column as a data, then bracket close, hit on enter button. We got 7. Why? Because all these 7 cells include some types of data, right? So it calculate all the data and give us the answer 7. Okay, I hope count function is clear to you right now. If you have any doubt, please type your comment in the comment section. Hit the subscribe button, like this video, share this video with your friends and other students so they can learn about this count function easily.